Good morning, everyone. It's Tuesday morning, January 18th. After a snowstorm yesterday, we have a beautiful day today. It's beautiful and sunny day. But of course, it's really cold. It's minus 10, but feels like minus 16 because of the wind chill. So it's beautiful sunny day today, Tuesday, January 18th. As usual, stay safe everyone, drive safely, and the snow is really thick right now. They also shovel the pathways actually, but still slippery though. Drive safely everyone, and stay safe. Let me see here in the bottom. But there you are. Happy Tuesday morning.